In today's video, I will walk you through how to add gradient text in CapCut PC. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a gradient text effect by combining text layers, changing colors, adding masks, and creating compound clips inside CapCut on your computer. Start by opening CapCut on your PC and go to the Text tab. Drag a text element onto the timeline. Once the text appears, type the text you want to use for the gradient effect. After entering your text, choose the font style you want to use. You can also adjust the font size and make any changes you want from the text settings panel. Next, choose the primary color for the text. Select the color from the color options and apply it to the text. After setting the first color, go to the animation section. Choose the animation you want to apply to the text, browse through the available animation styles and select the one you prefer. Once the animation is applied, press Alt on your keyboard while dragging the text up to duplicate text. You will now have two identical text clips on the timeline. Select the second text clip and change its color to the secondary gradient color. After changing the second text color, right-click on the first text clip and select Create Compound Clip. Repeat the same process for the second text clip by right-clicking on it and selecting Create Compound Clip. Next, select the second compound clip and go to the Video section. Inside Video, locate the Mask option and click on it. Then click Add Mask and choose the Split Mask option. Once the split mask appears, rotate the mask line to adjust the angle of the gradient effect. Continue adjusting it until you get the look you want. After that, click and drag the mask upward to blend the two colors together and create the gradient effect on the text. When you are satisfied with the gradient appearance, select both compound clips together, including the video or project in the timeline. Right-click on the selected clips and choose Create Compound Clip once again. Your gradient text effect will now be combined into a single clip. And that is how you add gradient text in CapCut PC.